Binomial expansion is one of the highest scoring topics on paper 3. But most students lose marks on two really simple things. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix them. Covering two exam favorites. The first one is expanding when the first term is not 1, and the second is finding the range of x for validity. If the first term is not equal to 1, you must rewrite it into 1 plus something. Let's take an example. If you had to expand 2 plus x to the power of 5 up to 3 terms. Since the first term is 2 and not 1, we need to make it into 1. In order to do that, you factor out the 2. So I'm removing 2 as a factor and I'm left with 1 plus x by 2, the whole thing to the power of 5. When we simplify this, it becomes 2 to the power of 5 and 1 plus x by 2 to the power of 5. Now we expand just the binomial expression. So keeping 2 to the power of 5 intact, I'm going to expand 1 plus x by 2 to the power of 5. According to our binomial formula in the MF19, it's going to be 1 plus n times x. So n here is 5 and the second term is multiplied into 5 plus 5 into 5 minus 1 x by 2 the whole squared by 2 factorial. Here I have just followed the formula given in your MF19. And this is the expansion for 2 plus x to the power of 5 up to the third term. Remember that if the first term is not equal to 1, you have to make it 1 by factorizing. Second concept has to do with the range of validity. In paper 3, your binomial expansion only works if the modulus of x, which is the second term of the binomial expression, modulus x has to be less than 1. So let's take an example. If you have 1 plus 2x to the power of n, then the modulus of the second term, which is modulus of 2x, has to be less than 1. This is only provided you have already addressed the first point, which is to make the first term of the binomial expression into 1. So then in that case, you take the second term, modulus of that has to be less than 1. When you solve this, you get modulus of x is less than half. Remember, for your binomial expansion in paper 3, the second term of your binomial expression must stay between minus 1 and 1. It is a fractional value or 0 between minus 1 and 1. If you fix these two ideas, binomial expansion becomes one of the easiest topics and the highest scoring ones in paper 3.